All right, friends, I did tell you that I was going to show you kind of in depth these goodies that I got from the Pebbles collection. I did show you all a haul that I already posted a video, but then I wanted to go one by one through the goodies so you can see what else is in this collection instead of, a real quick, this is what I got, this is what I got. So let's go through. This is all Pebbles Live Life Happy, and it's a hilarious collection. It is bright and youthful. It has the white core, which is my favorite, with some black accents. So all of that is awesome. So, and I don't even know how many papers are in this collection. So let's just go through it and see what we have. So it looks like I have, do I have two of each? Okay, looks like I have two of each. So I can show you as we go. Maybe I will move these to the side and show you bit by bit. All right, so first sheet is called Live Life Happy, and it is the 3x4 cards, which we have rainbow icons are in it really strong. There's hearts. The donut thing is happening. We have a really high-end donut place in our area, and I should pick them up just so I could take a picture and do a layout. That makes total sense. Okay, and unicorn stuff. So the flip side of this paper, so I can move that one right there. The flip side is, first of all, absolutely great branding strip. And it looks a little thicker than normal, which I am digging that. It's not, is that true? Does Pebbles have a thicker branding strip? You guys let me know. So it has like a word search, and in a kind of a pastel kind of pen marks, marker marks, whatever, they have different words are circled. So that is kind of fun. And then next, we have the ever popular unicorn wearing a p-shirt with a hula hoop and high tops on an aqua background. And then the flip side is just kind of like an animal print, and I'm telling you guys, it looks like the mid-80s. That is really kind of funny. The next sheet we have, and that one is called, look, it reads You Are Magic at the top. And this one was called Dance, Dance, Dance. The next sheet is called Rainbow Stripes for rather obvious reasons. And the back side, really, by the way, that branding strip has ice cream cones with smiley faces on them. So this is a really nice, almost a seafoam kind of a color. And polka dots, really great background. This sheet right here is called Scoops. And these are those same ice cream cones, a little bit bigger, with kind of a dark tan cone on it. And they have their cute little expressions. They're like little smileys and little looking signs. And so I'll go like that. And then this one is a really great polka dot. It's like somewhere between indigo or a really saturated periwinkle. That's kind of an awesome color. So this one is a cut apart of cut aparts. I feel like I want to take this piece and cut it all apart all at once. But then again, I really also like seeing everything that's on it to know what's what. I'll figure that out. So it is called Have a Good One. And the back side, that looks just like the crepe paper Valentine's line. All right, so the back side is a really great matting piece or background, which is an absolute bubblegum pink. And look at this branding strip. They're little suckers made out of hearts. Cute. All right, we have a lot of papers still, so I am going to end up pushing these up because I'm going to end up with 2 rows. So next, this one is called Happy because the word happy is printed over and over and over. And this is almost like a tomato soup color red. And then the back side, is that same tomato soup color red with, those aren't quite white polka dots, not quite white, and really cute floral branding strip. These are called Smiling Hearts. They look like conversation hearts if you still have any Valentine's pictures. And this one is a really great tight plaid, kind of like a crosshatch. The branding strip reads Yay over and over. This is called Rad Stripes. And the back side, I think I'll put it like that so we can see it better. are all kinds of drinks with little bendy straws. So super cute. And the branding strip are rainbows and clouds, and that really great, like it's kind of like an indigo color. This piece right here is called Unicorn Dreams, and you have cute little clouds with rainbow droplets coming down. We have suns and unicorns. And then this one is a total 1982 print of hearts and a really cute branding strip with suns. Next we have happy rainbows for good reason. Those look like happy rainbows. And the back side, oh, this is great. So it's almost a mustard yellow with tone on tone little tiny stars and a heart branding strip. I may or may not end up running out of room. I only have 4 sheets left. Okay, so this is called Oh Happy Day. So rainbow upon rainbow of flowers. We'll put that one right there. And then this one, oh, so it's that really deep blue again. And it is kind of like that seafoam green for the polka dot and a rainbow branding strip. And then finally, oh, this is a cute print. I like all the green in it. It's called Rainbow Blossoms. You get that there. And then the flip side, oh, look at this. A leaf green with deeper green tone on tone and a rainbow branding strip. So that is the papers in this collection, which is massive. And now, let's see, what do I want to show you next? All right, so right here, these are the shaker stickers. I did share that in my previous haul video. They are cute and they have kind of like an iridescent little shaker in them. These are the Puffy stickers, and there's 44 of them in really cute colors. I like that they gave us lots and lots of the white. What else? Let's see, I showed you, see, these are easy to show. I showed you the alphas, and they do have like this holographic treatment on all of them. They have numbers and a little bit of punctuation, and these are called Hey, and they're foil foam letter stickers. They're on white foam. These are accent stickers. There's 81 of them, and they're on a slightly off-white with holographic treatments. You can see that on the unicorn, the clouds. So about half of the pieces have a holographic treatment somewhere. Oh, I think these are super awesome. I want to get my, oh gosh, like they're not, well, alcohol markers. That's what I was trying to think of. They're called Rainbow. They're puffy foil stickers. Why are they called foil stickers? I wonder if you're supposed to be able to do something with them. I have no idea. I love the white, but I also like the idea of trying out my alcohol markers because I never have. And then I showed you this as well in the overall haul video from my little scrapbook store. These are the stickers. There's 326 of them in total. And these are on a white base. These have holographic on them. These are all holographic, which feature hearts, stars. Oh, we have peace signs, lightning bolts, and music notes. Lots of different kinds of rainbows. And then these little words are the most awesome thing ever. And then these are smaller pieces of all of the icons that are in this collection, as well as cute little words. These would be so great to be able to tuck into little clusters. And now the final 2 things are the ephemera. So what I'm gonna do is get all of my paper stacked up and put to the side because I have, not that it's beautifully clean, a black desk. Actually, it's kind of scuffed up is what it is. But I did want to be able to show you all of these pieces, and then I'll put them into my little iris container that I have right over here. Because once I get them cut out, I will mix them all, put them all in a handy dandy little photo iris container and be good to go. So I have the phrase ephemera as well as the icon ephemera. Let's see what's in here. Put my little container off to the side. And I'll get these 2 pieces cut out so we can see what's what. So these are awesome. So we have this really great foiling that I don't know if is it foiling or just shiny? No, it is definitely like a holographic thing. So we have rad. Maybe I'll be able to come in just a little closer for this part. Yay, with these cool glasses. You are cool. Yay again. That looks really birthday to me. Happy day. Definitely good for a birthday. Good things ahead. Love. Oh, look at this one. It reads happy birthday and it's a Caticorn on a birthday cake. Hello. Lots of little words with some of that foily. Maybe that's what they mean by the foiling. I don't know. Let's flip it over. You are my sunshine. These are not foiled. Okay. Smile, which in a rainbow. Radiate positivity. Thanks, which is awesome for a card. Let's be friends. Shine bright. Love and love ya. Thanks a bunch. And choose happy. Then the next set from that package are going to be a little bit bigger, it looks like. I might need to open it just a little bit more. So you did it. Woohoo. All those rainbow colors. Awesome. Don't quit your daydream. Just be happy. Have a good one. Look at how cool that looks. So these are perforated, so you'll have lots and lots of little tags here, or fishtail banners. Just for you and yay, 2 different tags, and that is perforated. Chill out. This is perforated as well. It is, oh, there's lots of stuff here that's perforated. All right, so there's 2 different pieces, and this one has scalloping. Let's go like that. Now these are all perforated as well. So this reads smile and hello, and then we have be happy and love ya. And now I'm gonna go out just a little bit because there's lots still in here. Live life happy. It's a little denim jacket in green. I believe in Caticorns. Good vibes. Let's do this. Donut worry, be happy. Best day ever. You are my unicorn. Always look on the bright side. And choose joy. Now let me scoop all these up, get them in the iris container, and I will open the other set. And that will be it for this Pebbles cute haul of goodness. So let's see. Let's open this setup. And like I said before, these are called the phrase icons. I always cut this piece out and put it into the iris container. So I'll be doing that with both of them. Let's open these little guys up. All right, so this set has foiling on them that I can see so far. We've got a nice little lightning bolt. Cute little star. These are like, they're picking up a really pale pink color. We have our unicorns doing their thing. I think they should be facing each other to hang out. A Caticorn cake. Cute little leaping unicorn. Big giant heart, which to me looks just like the crepe paper hearts. They're very cute. Okay, a donut rainbow with sprinkle rain, maybe? Now that's a cute little cloud. Perforated rainbow, so you get 2. Let's flip. Oh my gosh, look at the bumblebee. So cute. And I think that's an apple. A cute little orange. We have a couple of stars in this nice little rainbowy pattern. Somehow these are adorable looking blueberries with headphones on. A birdie, I think a toucan. An ice cream cone, cute. A little dinosaur on a skateboard. And a giant sun. All right, so they get to jump into my very full container of cuteness. And then, last but certainly not least, these larger pieces. So they're gumball machines. They are perforated so that you can just have two. Same thing with these cute little unicorns. Let's see, oh, look, it's a hot air balloon. Once again, these cupcakes have that perforation. Cute little banner. A backpack, cute for back to school. A Caticorn again. I have a picture of a cat to scrapbook, so I will be doing it. Little high tops. Boombox from back in the day. Caticorn cupcakes, perforated again. Big drinky cups, that would be cool for a bubble tea layout. Florals, always a win. Roller skates, so cute. So here we have friends hanging out. We have a sun, a rainbow, and a cloud all hanging out. Cute little Caticorn with a donut around its waist. Ring pop. Another cute little heart in that great deep sea foam. Oh my, this is a lot going on here. It looks like a leopard wearing roller skates. Of course. Sure, I have a leopard wearing roller skates layout to do. We have a banana, and then this is a perforated set of butterfly pieces. All right, that is it for Live Life Happy by Pebbles, or my haul. I'm sure there might be more pieces, but that's what I have. All right, bye friends.